Hi, I'm Dave Bonamort, Anna of Utah owner. Since 2017, we've managed commercial cleaning services for all kinds of industries. Doctors' offices, gyms, office buildings, car dealerships, warehouses, and a lot more. From Payson to Ogden, Tooele to Park City, and across the Wasatch Front. Whether you are one location or many, we've got you covered. Our clients value our robust menu of services like carpet and floor deep cleaning, ceiling and surface restoration, and our proprietary Protection Plus disinfection options. Some clients prefer services after hours or on the weekends. That's no problem. The work is scheduled around you. We'll plan a walkthrough of your facility, learn about your property, listen, and design a plan that's perfect for you. You're in charge. Don't depend on your employees to handle the cleaning. Let them focus on their jobs and leave that burden to us. Our list of happy clients continues to grow because they consistently get the very best commercial cleaning services every time. Let us do the same for you. Call or fill out the form online to schedule a free quote for any of our nightly or one-time services.